Alright. Looks like we're done with that. Alright. Let's try YouTube sword throw. No. YouTube sword throw. Here we go. Alright. Alright guys, here we go. Alright. Wait. Give me a sec. Just give me 1 minute. I'm gonna try to... Oh my. How do you, PewDiePie, Markiplier, Toby, what? I'm dancing, it looks like. Alright. We're done with that. Okay. I will get better at this game, trust me. Just let me give me some time. Jack, try this. Ball one looper. Oh, that was really weird. I just had a voice that said, please ask me a question. Please. What the crap just happened?